In most scenarios, Agely is going to need access to at least 2 channels in your server. For one channel, Agely will need it to provide users with a way to start verification, either from a static message in your rules channel that has a button to start verification, or perhaps you want to use the welcome feature on Agely that sends new users a welcome message that also has that verify button. That way they can just start verifying in your server. The other types of channels that you'll need are logs channels, and this is where we send verification results. There's also another type of logs channel called an audit log, which has a different type of log which shows moderator actions. So anytime somebody approves a new user or rejects a user, it will show up in the audit logs channel. There's nothing that stops you from combining the verification logs and the audit logs into one channel. So in this example that we're going to do today, we'll do that. We'll create a welcome channel that will have a place for our welcome messages once we set that up, and we'll have a logs channel. And we're going to cover the channel permissions in those. So to get started, we'll right click on the sidebar here and create a new channel. This one's going to be the welcome channel, so it'll be a public channel. We'll type in welcome and we'll create channel. Now that we have the basic text channel, we're going to edit it by clicking the gear on the right hand side, and then we'll go to permissions and we're going to make it public for everyone. By default, this is probably also already true if your everyone role has view channel, but we'll just manually enable it for this. And then we're going to add Agely's role to this channel. We'll make sure that it has the view channel permission. And then it needs to send messages. So we're going to add send messages, embed links, and attach files. This lets Agely send messages that have attachments or photos in them. And we can optionally, just to future-proof this, allow Agely the ability to create private threads and send messages in threads. And that would be for the request command that allows you to request a user to complete a specific type of verification. So they might have done a different verification, just entered their date of birth, but you might want to request their ID because they've done something suspicious. And that has an option to create a private thread to send the user those instructions. Once we've set up all those permissions, we'll hit Save Changes down here at the bottom right, and we can escape back to where our welcome channel is. We can't do anything with this yet because we haven't configured the bot, so we'll move on to just creating the logs channel. So same thing as last time, right click, create channel. We're going to just call this one logs, and we'll make it a private channel from here because it just makes things a little easier. And hit next. So for a private channel, you need to select the roles that will be able to see that channel. So we'll use our Agely role and the moderator role. So our mods will be able to see the logs and Agely will be able to see the logs. We'll hit create channel. Now this isn't complete. We need to do a little bit more with permissions for this logs channel to be solid. So we'll go up here again, edit channel. We'll go to permissions, and you'll see that in this private channel, the @everyone role does not have the view channel permissions. This is really important. Your logs channel should never be visible to the @everyone role. It's private information just for moderators to approve and reject users. The Agely testing role does have the view channel role, so it means the bot can see the channel. We need to also give it the send message permission, the embed links permission, and attach files permission. And if we scroll back up, we can look at the moderators. They have the permission to view channels. And similarly, you can set their permissions in this channel as well. Some people don't want mods to be able to send messages in a log channel. They just want it for the logs. So that's up to you. We have our basics, so we're going to hit save. And again, this can be for both verification logs and it can be for audit logs. If you wanted to have a separate one for audit logs, now that you have one channel set up, you can just duplicate the channel and create your second audit logs channel, and the permissions would copy over from that original and everything would be all set up. In our next video, we'll cover setting up the bot.